Welcome back. This was where we stopped in our last class. So, as you can see, our table is not looking well. It's not looking very pretty or well arranged. So, we need some things to fix this. So, let's go to the first table. This is the first table. Inside this table, let's put a border and give it, this is a border attribute, and give it a value, the border name. The attribute name is border, then the value, the attribute value should be let's say 2 pixel. Let's give it 2 pixel. You can give it 1 pixel. You can give it. So you can see that these boxes here, these boxes, these are the borders. You can see now we now have a border that separates everything. So let's do same thing to this other table border, then 2 pixel. You can make it 3 pixel just the way you want it to look like. Oh, what have I done? Okay, I placed it inside the closing tag, so that's wrong. Let's come here. Sorry. Okay, border 2 pixel. So okay, let's make this 5 pixel just to make to know the difference. This one will be thicker. You can see the border of this one is very thick and this one is light. So there is something else I want to talk about. It's called the cell spacing. So these are cells. These boxes are the cells. These boxes that contain the TD and the TH. These boxes are the cells. So now I want to reduce the space. I want them to be very close to each other. So I will say cell spacing. I'm going to come here and say cell spacing is equal to 0. Let's come here and see. Okay, you can see the second one. So it's 0. So all the no space between these boxes again. This one, there are spaces. Can you see that? So look at this box now. You can see the space outside. We are talking about the outside space, not the space within the boxes and the content. So now let's deal with the space within the boxes and the content itself. Look at this pen and this box now. I want to increase the space in it. So we use cell padding for that. Cell padding is equal to, let's give it 3 pixel and see. You can see it's kind of big. So let's increase it so that we can see it very well. Let's use something like 5. Aha! You can see now it's now very big and obvious. You can see it. You can't compare it with these small boxes. These ones are big. So let's put the same thing in the first one like this. Let's copy it and paste it here. And let's see. Wow. You can see our table is now looking very presentable and beautiful. Can't you see how pretty our table is? So you can use your table to organize your work and make it look very presentable. So look at our work. You can see everything we have been doing has been inside table or inside the body tag. I did not code outside the body tag. Then the HTML, you can see it. We have our head and body inside our HTML. Then you can see the HTML is the one closing everything. Here also our head come before the body. We did not carry our head and bring it to the bottom. Just like human, our head always come before the body. Then we have our title. We have everything coded within our HTML opening and closing tag. So we are going to stop here. Bye.